Hello, little kiddos. Today we are going to learn parts of the body. Are you excited to learn with fun? Let's start. This is head. Head. Forehead. This is forehead. Hair. This is hair. Eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Eyes. These are eyes. Nose. This is nose. Ear. This is ear. Cheeks. These are cheeks. Lips. These are lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Mouth. This is mouth. Tongue. This is a tongue. Chin. This is a chin. Neck. This is a neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Chest. This is a chest. Hands. These are hands. Fingers. These are fingers. Elbow. This is elbow. Arm. This is an arm. Knee. This is a knee. Hip. This is a hip. Thigh. This is a thigh. Legs. These are legs. Ankle. This is ankle. Foot. This is a foot. Toe. This is a toe. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Which part of the body is this? Is it a nose or eyes? It's a nose. Now, which part of the body is this? Is it nose or ear? It's an ear. Now tell me, which part of the body is this? Are these hair or eyebrows? These are eyebrows. Do you know which part of the body is this? Is this a hand or a foot? Yes, you are right. It's a hand. It's time to guess this part of the body. Is it a tongue or a face? It's a tongue. Now, which part of the body is this? Is it a hand or a knee? It's a knee. Now, name this part of the body. Is it ears or eyes? Yes, you are right. It's the eye. Now name this part of the body. Is it a toe or a hand? It's a toe. Hope you liked the video, so like, share and subscribe to our channel.